Is it good? You want some sugar on your lemon? Oh, yeah.
It'll take more sour.
No, it'll taste sweeter.
Okay. It might be soury.
Oh yeah, we gotta shut this off. Gideon was learning how to write his name. It's his letter I's. There's a D. There's another D and some. Oh, look at that! You wrote a word, gig.
Oh man. I made the word gig.
Yeah, you wrote a word.
Hey, would you put sugar on this now?
I certainly will.
So it can taste sweeter?
Oops. You gotta suck the juices out while you have the sugar on it.
Hey.
Smiley face.
A little tiny smiley face.
So do you like it? That's something you and Michael have in common.
You have the lemon instead.
No, I tried lemon when I was young. I don't need any lemon.
I got a good idea.
Hmm.
I can give this to Michael and he can put sugar on it.
No, I don't think he's gonna want it after you've been sucking on it. That's your lemon now. Does it need more sugar?
Let's look at it.
Oh.
Put that on them. Yeah.
There we go. See, what you're doing is drinking lemonade right now. Good stuff. You're so silly. You ran out of sugar. You faker. Well, it's official. Gideon and Michael like lemon. Say goodbye. Do you like lemon? Yeah. Is it good?